TheTexasDeacon here. Thank you for joining me. It was a beautiful spring day here in Texas, and I hope your day was just as beautiful as mine, no matter what the weather was where you are. The title of this video is The West Texas Explosion, which happened a week or so ago. We all heard about it on the news. The scripture reading is Ecclesiastes 1:9. Ecclesiastes 1:9. That which has been is what will be. That which is done is what will be done. There is nothing new under the sun. That was Solomon, the son of David, King Solomon. The title that I chose is actually misleading, but I picked something that I thought would get your attention. What I really wanted to talk to you about was the 1947 Texas City ammonia nitrate explosion. You may have never heard of it. Texas City disaster was the deadliest industrial accident in U.S. history. The incident took place on April the 16th, 1947, and began with a mid-morning fire aboard the French-registered vessel SS Grand Camp, which was docked in the port of Texas City. The fire detonated approximately 2,300 tons of ammonia nitrate, and the resulting chain reaction of fires, explosions, killed at least 581 people, including all but one of the Texas City Fire Department. More than 5,000 people were injured, with 1,784 admitted to 21 area hospitals. More than 500 homes were destroyed and hundreds damaged, leaving 2,000 homeless. The seaport was destroyed, and many businesses were flattened or burned. Over 1,100 vehicles were damaged, and 362 freight cars were obliterated. A 2-ton anchor of the Grand Camp was hurled 1.62 miles. It now rests in a memorial park. Burning wreckage ignited everything within miles, including dozens of oil storage tanks and chemical tanks. The nearby city of Galveston, Texas, was covered with a oily fog, which left deposits over everything exposed to the outdoor surface. 1947, at least 581 people. Back then, you didn't have the way of tracking people we do now. So a lot of them, they just don't know how many people are on some of those foreign ships. Anyway, so at least 581. It was my goal in this video to give you enough information for you to be concerned enough to want to know more about the dangers of living near a fertilizer plant or storage facility. Educate yourself, pray about it. Seek God's answer. May God continue to bless and forgive the United States of America. May God continue to bless the Republic of Texas, and may God continue to bless you and yours.